I am Mark Reichman. I am the City Manager and Director of Public Safety for Corning, New York. I represent the International City Management Association. We're an association of about 10,000 professional managers across the country. As professional managers, we're always looking for ways to provide cost-effective services. FirstNet helps us with that mission. FirstNet coverage helps local governments provide the level of connectivity that they need to get data out into the field to our first responders in a cost-effective manner. It's helped increase interoperability. In Corning, New York, we're using FirstNet service to stream body cam videos from the officers in the field back to their supervisors at the station. We're also using it to connect our mobile data terminals in police cruisers and fire engines. And we're starting to use it in our Public Works Department to enhance connectivity amongst our utility crews who oftentimes provide a support service to public safety. So it's really part of our smart city approach to ensure that we have coverage throughout our municipality and that we have interoperability between departments, that they can communicate in times of emergency. City managers that are looking for a more cost-effective way to improve their communications and provide public safety grade services such as priority and preemption, they need to look no further than FirstNet.